Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery, business as usual. We're shipping machines all around the country. This is a Steelmaster Industrial H500 HA, so a fully automatic double column bandsaw getting shipped off to basic trailers in Adelaide. And we've got a multi-70 double cylinder 70-ton punch and shear going up to South Coast Stairs up in Bombardiri, and over the back here we've got a little Bailey 175 just for testing. We've got a little EMS Steelmaster 1270 by 3.2 power shear. Now this one's got an extra optional pneumatic sheet support system and a power back gate, so a little special one going up to one of the educational departments up in Queensland. And over here we've got a Steelmaster Industrial Absolute, which is our NC2 3.2 90 tonner, and that's going to Tasmania. And the boys are pre-commissioning a Steelmaster Industrial 4 metre 4mm NC1 full hydraulic pan brake folder. That's getting ready for a demo today. And at the back here we've got a Steelmaster Industrial, once again 620 HA, so it's a 620 fully automatic bandsaw, miter cutting bandsaw, once again pre-commissioned for another steel company. And over the back another one for Mr. Wicks up at Dubbo, a 2506 NC1 pan brake. So we've got lots going on, we've got lots of stock. Don't let this virus hold you back, because there's plenty of work to do and everyone's keeping busy. Let's stay positive. So jump on assetplant.com.au and call us for your metalworking machinery requirements. Thanks and have a great day.